Hallo und herzlich willkommen. Mein Name ist Pooja Kundu. Ich bin your German teacher. This is your channel Zero zum German Hero. Today you will learn German numbers from 1 to 10 in German. We will say each number in German and in English word by word. Then I will give you a simple example. Eins means 1. Repeat after me. Eins, 1. Example: Ich habe eins Buch. I have one book. 2 means 2. Repeat after me. 2, 2. Example: Ich habe 2 Stifte. I have 2 pens. 3 means 3. Repeat after me. 3, 3. Example: Ich sehe 3 Hunde. I see 3 dogs. 4 means 4. Repeat after me. 4, 4. Example: Ich habe 4 Äpfel. I have 4 apples. 5 means 5. Repeat after me. 5, 5. Example: Wir haben 5 Freunde. We have 5 friends. 6 means 6. Repeat after me. 6, 6. Example: Ich sehe 6 Blumen. I see 6 flowers. 7 means 7. Repeat after me. 7, 7. Example: Es gibt 7 Tage. There are 7 days. 8 means 8. Repeat after me. 8, 8. Example: Ich habe 8 Bücher. I have 8 books. 9 means 9. Repeat after me. 9, 9. Example: Ich sehe 9 Vögel. I see 9 Vögel. 10 means 10. Repeat after me. 10, 10. Example: Wir haben 10 Finger. We have 10 fingers. Super! You did it. Now you can count from 1 to 10 in German. Keep practicing every day. Count your books, your pens, your toys in German. This will help you remember the numbers. Thank you for learning with me. This is Zero zum German Hero. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video for next numbers up to 20. Hope you all enjoy the learning German numbers. Keep learning, keep practicing. Count things around you in German every day. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Zero zum German Hero. See you in the next video. Tschüss and remember, keep learning.